ukuthi mina Khuzani Mthandeni, they are the top of the they are cream of the top in they are top bayilento ephezulu ekhekheni eyicream kodwa ekhombisa ukuthi ikhekhe limnandi noma amaphutha niwalungisa lapha ngendlela amanye amanonile ke kulungile lokho akusenani ukuthi akuyeka phambili kodwa ke namanje ke ngisamfuna umuntu ekhala ngisasifuna futhi isikhova endelo yamcimbi ngeke wenzeke ngaphandle kwabantu ababili uma kungenjalo manihlulwe lokho ngithi mina ngifuna isikhova ngifuna umuntu ekhala ngoba ngifuna ukuthi kube nepeace lapha ube nepeace lapha umuntu osekhalile wesithathu uphuze chemist engicela ukuthi laba bantu 1 2 3 ngeke ngihluleke mina ukuthi kulaba abalandeli bami njengomongameli namandla enginawo njengomongameli ngihluleke ukuthola abantu abazokhokhela isikhova makuthiwa ngisho kuthiwa ninamali abazokhokhela isikhova bekhokhele umuntu ekhala ukuthi azoperforma lapha baphinde bazokhokhela uphuze chemist indoda endala ikhala uNkulunkulu wami emzini wayo ikhala minye embezi izosho ukuthi eke mcineka eke inhliziyo yami yakhala ithi no singahleka kube ihlaya kodwa kulona ihlaya lelo ngoba ayikho enye into ayazi uphuze chemist ngaphandle kwalento ayenzayo umculo wasikhathi ngicela ningizima Afrika ukuthi manje ngihlonipha njengomongameli wenu laba bantu bobathathu siyabadinga eMoses Mapeta Mpucuzeko futhi sidinga yenzekile ngiyacela ukuthi mina njengongizwe Mchunu I will take a responsibility to make sure ukuthi isikhova siba khona umuntu ekhala uba khona kanye nophuze chemist udaba likamongameli uCyril Ramaphosa umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa unesicwaca ngaphezulu kokuba nesicwaca umongameli ongazange abe nayo nencane inhlanhla ekuthenini asihole njengobaba wethu wezwe ngakho ke I'm challenging him as a president to resign with immediate effect. President Ramaphosa must resign with immediate effect. We will use all social media platforms that we have because we are prohibited and we are red taped. Sivimelekile we are prohibited ukuthi sikwazi ukungena kuma platform amanye awi media ngenxa yani na ye propaganda that is selling yokuthi thina asingakwazi ukukhuluma into efanele emphakathini umphakathi ozoyizwa sisemajele njengamanje kuphela unyaka kwaboshwa umongameli uZuma kwaba nenkinga eningizimu Afrika ezingazange zibe isixazululo esibambekayo nesibonakalayo kuronga kakhulu lokho ukuthi singama Afrika singakwazi ukuthi sikulungise ubaba uZuma yebo ngaphandle kwecele njengoba ke umongameli uZuma engaphandle kwejele kepha imotive neprinciple that he was representing as a president of the country akakwazi ukuthi ke leyo motive leyo ife sidinga ukuthi it must be implemented and uRamaphosa uqhamuka neattitude ye white monopoly capital and that attitude ye white monopoly capital iyo kanye lena eyenza ukuthi atholakala senemali okudlula wonke umuntu obheka icele benqobe bencoma ukuthi upresident onemali mayintshontsha sombuzo utshontshelana ebazi kahle ukuthi lento ayikhulumayo obheka icele kayikho it's just a pure politic that is nonsense bheka icele qhubeka nje bembi lapha uhlulwe impilo uhlolwe amathaveni kodwa muzo uzosangalela la